Go fix the damn sink. Wow, she's actually like having to hold up her breasts now. This is crazy.
Here we have our modern-day caveman, workaday world, working towards a future towards sink repair. Watch now as he uses the monkey wrench to tighten the U-bends in order to stop the water flow that's flowing out of the hot water tablet. Yes, this is the modern caveman, a modern caveman for you. You can find one too in a frozen block of ice. For 3 easy payments of $9.95, you too can have a lone wolf caveman repairing your sink. Yes, it is a modern world filled with tight buttocks, tight thighs, and large calves. Each caveman comes free with a set of flip-flops. Call now and order today.
Repair that shit faster, goddamn you, caveman. Caveman understand U-bend in pipe, but does not understand filtration system